So, how to say hello or hi in Chinese, but not in a boring way, rather in a stylish way, or with warmness and in a friendly manner. And of course, we will also learn how to say hello in a formal situation. And then we will learn how to respond in a respectful manner as well as in a friendly manner. So, are you ready? Let's go! But please subscribe my channel because I have prepared hundreds of useful sentences that you should be able to speak in Chinese. You just need to follow me and practice with me because practice makes the man perfect. Now, first of all, let us learn how to say hello or hi in Chinese. It is very easy. Simply, you should join two words in Chinese. One is ni and the other is hao. So, after combining, it becomes ni hao. Ni means you and hao means good. So when we say ni hao to someone, it means we are praying for him that you should be good. So it is very meaningful, isn't it? So let us practice this hello or hi in Chinese. Okay? Please repeat with me. Ni hao. Ni hao. Ni hao. Ni hao. Ni hao. And in a formal situation, for example, if you want to say hello to an elder person, you should say nin hao. Yes, this ni becomes nin, N-I-N, nin. So, nin hao. Yes, three more times. Nin hao. Nin hao. Nin hao. Okay, now you have two options to say hello. One is informal way and other is a formal way. The informal way is ni hao and the formal way is nin hao. Now let us add some style in our informal way. Just like instead of saying simply hello, we say hello. And in Chinese, instead of simply saying ni hao, we can say ni hao ya. Yes, repeat it with me. Ni hao ya. Ni hao ya. Ni hao ya. This is one style. And another style is adding a at the end. Now again repeat it with me. Ni hao a. Ni hao a. Ni hao a. And now let's jump into the third style. And it is absolutely easy. To say hello in Chinese, we can casually say hello. Yes, hello. 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 How is that? Give me a thumbs up, please. And how to say hey, hello in Chinese? It is also very simple. We simply say, "Hey, ni hao." "Hey, ni hao." "Hey, ni hao." Or we can also say, "Wei, ni hao." 喂，你好。喂，你好。Or we can say 喂，你好。喂，你好。喂，你好. Whenever a person receives a telephone call, he or she would say 喂，你好. Or simply 喂. This 喂 is equivalent to hello. So the word喂is mostly used in telephonic conversations to say hello. So whenever you call a person, you should say喂, and the other person would also say喂, and then the conversation starts. And this way is equivalent to hey. Means that if you want to call someone standing away from you, you can say way, way. So this word way can also be said as way or even ay, ay, ay. Yes. And now let us jump to second part of this video. Means how to respond hello. It is also extremely simple in Chinese. When someone would say ni hao, the response is also ni hao. The second option is ni ye hao. Yes, we added a word ye, ye, ye after ni. So ni ye hao. Now it is a 3-word sentence, but very simple. Okay, let's practice with me. Ni ye hao. Ni ye hao. Ni ye hao. The word ye means also. So, ni ye hao means you also good. So when someone would say ni hao, you can respond in both ways. Simply saying ni hao or saying ni ye hao. And if someone says ni hao ya, means in a frank way, ni hao ya, then you can also respond ni ye hao ya, ni ye hao ya, ni ye hao ya. So you see the sounds like a or ya at the end of such sentences make it somewhat welcoming or friendly. So can you speak what we learned today? Let us have a recap of it. To say hello or hi in Chinese, we can say ni hao. And in order to add some style, we can say ni hao a, ni hao ya. Or we can simply say hello. And we can also say wei ni hao. And in response, you can say ni hao or ni ye hao or ni ye hao ya. And finally, in order to say hello or hi to an elder person, you should say nin hao. Yes, nin hao. So this was today's lesson. And how was this lesson? Please tell me in comments. And do you have any question? Or do you have any suggestion? Or anything else to say? Please tell me in comments. And please press this like button for my appreciation. Thank you. So let's jump over to our next video.